So good morning students. Today we are going to see what is called as machine learning. So from the term itself we can easily identify that making the machines to learn, and this learning is done with minimal human intervention. That is, we are going to just feed data into the machine, data and information into the machine, and with less human intervention it is going to learn what is given in the data, what is present in the data, and it is going after the learning is performed well, it is going to identify what the incoming new data is about. So this diagram, it clearly explains this flow, it clearly explains what the entire machine learning process is about. So first we are going to feed the past data. So here the term past, it mentions about lots and lots of data with which we are going to make the machine learn. So it may be millions or trillions of data, and hence we can represent this data as a big data. And once after providing this data into the machine it will analyze what the data is about by learning some patterns or some features. So all these feature detection and pattern recognition processes, it happens by itself, that is automatically. And after the training has happened a better way, it will identify, the machine is able now to identify some new data, and it will correctly predict. Correctly in the sense, it may or may not predict that based upon the training that we have provided, the machine will identify what that new data is about, and it will provide a label for that. So this flow, it clearly explains what is called as a machine learning. So when new data comes in, with the help of the previous knowledge, the machine, it easily predicts what the output is. So this is the entire process of machine learning. So what this machine does is, it is going to develop a model which will identify some new patterns, and it will make an automatic decision making based upon this data, and gives us a result about the new data which comes in after the training process. So this flow also explains the same thing: learning from data, identifying patterns, and making decisions. So all these things are done with minimal human intervention. That is, there is no need for the human to intervene in the immediately when these processes are happening or taking place. That is the main advantage of going for machine learning. So everything is going to happen in an automatic manner. And then we are going to move on to the life cycle of machine learning. So in life cycle, just whatever we have seen in the previous slide, we are going to see here also. First of all, we are going to ask the question, that is, this is a problem that we are going to feed, and this problem can be analyzed only with lots and lots of data. So collection of data happens in the next phase, and then we are going to train the algorithm with the help of this data. After training, we are going to make the testing process, that is, try it out, and after trying it out, we are going to collect feedback. So this feedback gives us how perfect our data are either classified or whether it is recognized based upon the application that the machine is used for. Based upon that, we are going to collect the feedback, and after collecting the feedback, we are going to provide, and we are going to make a feedback, we are going to provide a feedback to the algorithm again, by in order to increase accuracy. For achieving better accuracy, we are going to do this process. So one best example